The job search process can be daunting. Preparation is key to standing out. Researching potential employers and industries is crucial for success. It helps you understand where your skills and interests align. Thorough research helps you tailor your application. You can highlight relevant experiences and skills. This demonstrates your genuine interest in the company. It also shows you are a good fit for the role. Researching industries helps you understand market trends. You can identify growth areas and in-demand skills. This knowledge helps you make informed career decisions. It positions you for long-term success. Taking the time to research shows initiative. It demonstrates your commitment to finding the right opportunity. This proactive approach can give you an edge over other candidates. It shows you are serious about your career. Company websites are a treasure trove of information. Start by exploring the About Us section. Look for mission statements, values, and company history. Pay attention to the leadership team and their backgrounds. Delve into the career section to understand company culture. Look for employee testimonials and videos. Explore job descriptions for roles that interest you. Note the required skills and qualifications. Social media platforms offer valuable insights into company culture. Follow potential employers on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage with their content and observe their interactions. Industry reports and news articles provide a broader context. They offer insights into market trends, competitive landscapes, and industry challenges. Subscribe to industry publications and follow relevant hashtags. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for researching employers and industries. Use it to connect with people who work or have worked at companies of interest. Reach out to your connections for informational interviews. Ask about their experiences, company culture, and career paths. Be respectful of their time and prepare thoughtful questions. Join industry-specific groups on LinkedIn. Engage in discussions and ask questions. This is a great way to gain insights from professionals in your field. Section 4, Decoding Company Culture. Values, mission, and employee experiences. Company culture significantly impacts job satisfaction. It's essential to determine if a company's values align with yours. Look for clues in their mission statement, website, and social media presence. Employee reviews on platforms like Glassdoor can offer insights into company culture. Pay attention to themes that emerge from the reviews. However, take individual reviews with a grain of salt. Consider the company's approach to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Look for evidence of their commitment to creating an inclusive workplace. This is crucial for your well-being and sense of belonging. Section 5, Navigating Industry, Landscapes, Trends, Challenges, and Opportunities. Understanding industry trends is essential for career planning. Identify growth areas and in-demand skills. This knowledge helps you position yourself for long-term success. Research industry challenges and opportunities. This will help you understand the competitive landscape. You can also identify areas where you can add value. Consider the job market conditions in your desired industry. Are there many job openings, or is it a competitive market? This information will inform your job search strategy. By thoroughly researching potential employers and industries, you gain a significant advantage. You'll be prepared to articulate your value and make informed career decisions. Take charge of your career and embrace the power of research. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for Smart Kid Concepts to receive more career advice and updates.